Hello students, today we'll start that invertible functions, and last period we discussed that composite functions. Invertible functions definition: a function f from a to b, the function f from a to b is defined to be invertible if there exists another function g b from a to a, then such that what are the conditions: g composition f equal to ia and f composition g equal to ib. The function g is called inverse of f and is denoted by f inverse. If f is invertible function, the function f is invertible function, f must be 1, 1 and on 2. Suppose the question is asking show that the function f is invertible, better you go to the function, you have to prove that 1, 1 and on 2. The function f is 1, 1 and 2. Conversely, if f is 1, 1 and on 2, the function f is invertible. So very important definition. It is invertible is nothing but inverse only. The function f from a to b is defined to be invertible, is said to be invertible, it is defined to be invertible. Then there exists another function, g I am taking, then there exists another function g, so g from b to a, now it is a to b, b to a, so that g composition conditions, g composition f equal to I suffix a and f composition g equal to ib. The function g is called inverse of f. The function g is called inverse of f. The function g is called inverse of f and it is denoted by f inverse. I think g equal to f inverse or f inverse equal to g. When these two conditions are proved now, g composition f equal to ia and g of composition g equal to ib, when these two conditions are proved now, then definitely g is called inverse of f. So or f inverse equal to g. Okay. So where I and ib are called, I and ib are called identity functions. So when you are, so from a to b means g it comes I suffix a, you want to simply write identity function, no problem. So this identity function from set A and this identity function set B. So this is the most important. You remember, it is invertible, f must be 1, 1 and 2, and conversely f is 1, 1 and 2, then f must be invertible. Okay. There exists another function g only, f from a to b, g from b to a. So actually g is the inverse of f. I am removing g, then what is called f inverse. F from a to b and f inverse b to a. But I am calling g, f inverse is g. G is the inverse. G is the inverse of f, it is denoted by f inverse. Okay. You have f from a to b, f inverse b to a, and domain to codomain, codomain to domain. I will explain one example. I will explain that example. For example, it is set A, set B. It is f from a to b. Okay. Now I am taking a, b, c, d. X, Y, Z, W. So this is the function. The function f from a to b is, the function f from a to b is bijective. Is bijective function. Is bijective function. Then what is f of a f of a is x, okay, f of b is y, f of c equal to z, and f of d equal to w. So the function f from a to b is by z2. So the function f from a to b is 1, 1 and 2. Then f of a is x, f of b is y, f of c is z, f of d is y. And suppose, for example, this is f, I am taking inverse. I think it is b to a. F from a to b, f inverse b to a. X, y, z, w. A, b, c, d. Nowadays this is f from, f inverse from b to a is also bijective. Is also bijective. Then what is f inverse of x equal to a? F inverse of y equal to b. F inverse of z equal to c. F inverse of w equal to d. So here the very important, f of a is x, then what is here? F inverse of x is a. So what is the difference? Just interchanging, wherever a is there x, x is y. Wherever a is x, x is a. F of a is x, so f inverse of x equal to a. Okay. F of b is y, so f inverse of y, f inverse of y equal to b. F inverse of z equal to c, f inverse of w equal to d. So this is the just example from set A to set B, how to write that function and inverse function. So f is a bijective function, f inverse is also bijective function. So why here I am explaining? Suppose for example f of x is y. F of x is y, it is a 1, 1. Suppose for example it is a bijective function. How to write the inverse one? F of x is y, f inverse of y equal to x. Just y here you write, x here you write. Interchanging x and y. Okay. So this is the good example. Okay. Suppose for example f of x is y. Write the inverse means f inverse of y equal to x. Suppose for example f inverse of 2 is y. Write the function f of y equal to 2. I don't what is this style, okay? So just f inverse is f, then y 2, interchanging 2 and 1. Okay? So that's problems I will start with, okay? If f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, x not equal to 2 by 3, x not equal to 2 by 3. Show that f composition f of x is equal to x. F composition f of x is x for all x not equal to 2 by 3. For all x not equal to 2 by 3, what is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? If f of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, x not equal to 3. Suppose if x is 3, function is not defined. So that the f composition f of x is x for all x not equal to 2 by 3. What is the inverse of f? Okay, solution. F of x, it is given f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, even x not equal to 2 by 3. Thus you have to prove that identity function. I explained. F of composition f of x is nothing but it is the identity function. Now f of composition f of x is equal to f into f of x. Okay, f into f of x means f of 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4. So our aim is to proving is what now? X. Okay. So this is equal to, I am taking z only. Even you can write without z also, no problem. So f of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, and complete this is I am taking z. Z value 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Now what is f of? F of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. What is f of z? 4z plus 3 divided by 6z minus 4. When f of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, what is f of z? 4z plus 3 by 6z minus 4. Okay. Now, wherever z is there, we have to substitute 4x plus 3 equal 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 plus 3 whole divided by 6 into 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 minus 4. That is very simple LCM. Okay, where z is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Take LCM. 6x minus 4, 6x minus both are get cancelled. 16. 4 into 4x plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 6x minus 4 4 divided by 6 into 4x plus 3 minus 4 into 6x minus 4. Okay, equal to 16x plus 12 18x minus 12 whole divided by 24x plus 18 minus 24x plus 16 equal to 12 cancel 34x divided by 24 34. Okay, so this is x. Therefore f composition f of x is equal to x. So you got, this is the, what is the name of this function is called? Identity function. F composition f of x is x. The function is called identity function. I think when you got f inverse of f of x is x, then in the given function only it is f is f inverse. F is f inverse. So anyhow, this is called identity function. So very simple. Twice functions f into f composition f of x is x. So very simple. I am taking first that z only, f of z. Again seeing x is z, 4z plus 3 by 6z, and z is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, and simplify this. Last finally you will get x only. So what is the name is called? Identity function. What is called? Identity function. So f composition f of x equal to x. The f composition f of x is f. The inverse of f is f inverse, that is f inverse of x is equal to f of x. So f inverse of x equal to, what is the function? I think what is 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. It is given function 4x plus 3 by 6x. So when it is the given function is called inverse function in this condition. Suppose sometimes in CET. So CET is questions. So but in theory you should write the steps. But CET in the no steps. Okay. When it is given f composition f of x is, then what is the inverse of f? Students, they are solving full complete. No, not necessarily. Without solving this oral question, f of composition f of x is x. What is the inverse is asking? So given function that 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 is called, it is inverse. F inverse of f of x is f of x. When it is f inverse of x of x itself, the identity function f composition f of x is x. This is the identity function. When you got this identity, f inverse is f of x. So very be carefully, okay? And if we are solving that now, actually this problem is oral question only, okay? I don't solve that problem. So without solving. So if it not identity, you go to that inverse. F inverse of x is y. But here already is there, okay? Okay. So this is the one function. The f composition f of x. Now repeating, my students, what is the f composition f of x is x, and then what is f? F is called identity function. What is called? Identity function. Okay. Then let f from R to R. Let f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 10x plus 7. 10x plus 7. Okay. Find the function. Find the function g from R to R. So here both domain and command is real number. Don't confuse that this and this. So f from R to R, I told what is g. G is the inverse of f. Okay. This is A to B, this is B to A. But here domain and codomain must be same. Don't confuse. So actually this is codomain to domain. This is domain to domain. So find the function g from R to R such that g composition f equal to I suffix R and f composition g equal to I suffix R. Or even you take both of these are even equal to I suffix R. What is the question? If f from R to R defined by f of x is 10x plus 7, find the function g. You don't know what is g. You have to solve that g function. So that g composition f of IR and f composition g equal to I. And also find the inverse also, but the inverse question is not there. This is the inverse only. But find the function g from R to R such that g composition f composition. So very simple. F of x equal to, what is the given? Given f of x is equal to 10x plus 7. Okay. For every y belongs to R codomain, there exists x belongs to R domain. Such that f of x equal to f of x is 1. So what is f of x? 10x plus 7 equal to 1. 10x plus 7. But you can take x is value in terms of y. 10x equal to y minus 7. What is x? Y minus 7 by 10. Y minus 7 by 10. Y minus 7 by 10. So for every y belongs to R, there exists x belongs to R. F of x is what? X value in terms of y. X value in terms of. Okay. Now let us define g from R to R. Let us define g from R to R as g of y. This is very important. Y minus 7 by 10. What is the question? What is the function of g from R to R? What is the function g from R to R? G of y equal to y minus 7 by 10. Now you got f of x also is there and g of y is there. Now better you go to identity function. G composition f of x is x. G of f of x. G into f of x is 10x plus 7. So g of 10x plus 7. So what is g of y? 10 y minus 7 by 10. Replacing y by 10x plus y value 10x plus 7. This is y only. Minus 7 by 10. So 10 7 cancel. 10x by 10 equal to x. So what is g composition of g composition of f of x is equal to x. It implies g composition f equal to I sub f. When you are removing x no and you write I suffix r. When you remove I suffix r no, you can write x. Be carefully. G composition f of x is x is same as g composition f of either x is not there. Suppose you want a function of x, g composition f of x is nothing but x only. So you got a g composition f of x r. Okay. Then what is the next? And f composition g of y I am taking f into g of y. F into g of y. F of what is g of y? G of y. So what is g of y? 10x plus 7 equal to y. Okay. So y minus 7 by 10. G of y value y minus 7 by 10. So what is f of x? 10x plus 7. 10 into y minus 7 by 10 plus 7. First you can substitute in g of y. G of y is y minus 7 by 10. And assuming this is x, f of x में डालना ना. So wherever x is y minus 7 by 10. So 10x plus 7. So 10 cancel. Y minus 7 plus 7 equal to y. So f composition g of y equal to y. It implies f composition g equal to I suffix r. Actually here both domain and codomain belongs to R only. Actually suppose from A to B is given. A to B is given. I think this is nothing but I suffix B. Okay. G is nothing but I suffix A. So luckily both are R to R is there and f composition G composition F both are must be this. Even question is not there. Find the inverse and f composition G equal to I R G composition F of it with f inverse equal to G. So f inverse of y equal to G of y. But question is not there. This question I am not asking. That's just extra. These are condition satisfied with f inverse equal to G. But question I am not there. Also you can write and also find the inverse. Okay, when question is there. But I am not asking. Even I will explain this. F inverse of G, f inverse of and f inverse of y equal to f inverse of y equal to what is G of y? Y minus 7 by 10 or f inverse of x equal to x minus 7 by 10. So this is the problem. Okay, this problem only I am asking what is the function of g and we have to prove that condition. This condition have to prove enough. But this is the extra question only. When also find the inverse of f means you go to with f inverse is f inverse of f. Okay. So both are even in terms of y also correct in terms of x. This is the one of the good problems that even with theory this comes 5 marks question we have to prove. But even this is one more method. But particularly here given G composition method. Then two types of problems. First is the function f is 1, 1, and 2, f is invertible with f inverse equal to G. Another is you go to composition, you have to prove that identity function, the function f is invertible. Two methods. What is the first method? Repeating once again, students. The function, there are two methods. there are two methods. Suppose the function f is 1, 1 and 2. 1, 1 means x1 equal to x2. And 2 means you know that. That previous problem I explained. That same old method only. 1, 1 and 2, the function f is invertible. Okay. So second method, the composition you have to prove that identity, then f is invertible. 1, 1 and 2, 2 invertible. Invertible means 1, 1 and 2. Okay. But here this problem is asking composition problem only. Okay, it's only composition method you have to prove. So what is the next? Consider next example. Next example. Consider f from R to R. Consider f from R to R. F from R to R given by f of x equal to f of x equal to given by f of x equal to 4x plus 3 so that f is invertible. F is invertible. Also find the inverse of f. This question, suppose this question is asking in 5 marks question in. Find different method there. But there are two methods. Some students are taking 1, 1 and on 2, that old method, the function f is invertible. And again f inverse of x equal to y, that is the inverse they are solving. So another students, they are taking composition, G composition f of x is equal to I suffix r f composition. Then f is inverted. You can do any method, okay? But in this problem, they are not mentioned that particular method. You can do any method. Either it is go to composition or there you go to 1. But this problem I am explaining both methods. This problem only. And next problems it is understood. Okay, you can do any method. That your first method. Some students are taking first method easy रहता, some second. Some students को second method easy रहता. So it is convenient. Okay, but now it is. I will start first method. What is the given? Given f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Be careful. What is f from R to R? Even here also it is a domain and codomain real number only. Okay. Now I am taking 1, 1. This is very important. Let x1 comma x2. Some textbook x comma y is given. You can take any. Even x1, y, x2, z1, z2, any two domain. And let x1, x2 be two different domains such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So it implies 4x1 plus 3, 4x2 plus 3. It implies 3 cancel 4, x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. So you want to take that, suppose you want 4x, it implies 4x1 equal to 4x2. It implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1. Any function that we have to prove x1 equal to x2, the function f is 1, 1 only. So it is very simple. The plus 3 cancel, and next removing 4, x1 equal to x. Then what is the next? Onto. For every y belongs to R. This is for the codomain. There exists x belongs to R domain. Okay, such that f of x equal to 1. And this go on to x value in terms of y only. X value in terms of y only. So what is f of x? 4x plus 3 equal to 1. 4x equal to equal to y minus 3. So what is x value? Y minus 3 by 4. So x value in terms of y. X value in terms of y only. So this is the onto. So onto, I proved that another method. Onto means we have to prove f of x is y. Now, so for y belongs to R, there exists x equal to y minus 3 by 4, such that f of x equal to f of what is x? Y minus 3 by 4. We have to prove f of x is y only, okay? So, for every y belongs to R, there exists x equal to y minus 3 by 4. Such that f of x equal to f of y minus 3 by 4. 4 into y minus 3 by 4. What is f of x? 4x plus 3. This is x only, 4x plus 3. Okay? 4x plus 3. 4 cancel, y minus 3 plus 3 equal to 1. So f of x equal to, therefore f of x is equal to 1. Hence, therefore f is onto. F of x equal to onto. F of x is y. F is onto. Hence f is invertible. I told you f is both 1 1 and 2. The function, hence the function f is invertible. And also find the inverse. To find inverse of f. Okay. Now what is f of x equal to y? F inverse of y equal to x. In definition, previous definition explained, f of x is y. It is a function. What is the inverse function? Just interchanging x and y. Y place में x लिखना, x place में y. So f of x is y, f inverse of y is x. So what is f inverse of y equal to, what is x value? So what is 4x plus 3 equal to y? So what is the x value? Y minus 3 by 4. So this is f inverse of x equal to x minus 3 by 4. These two are anyone you write. Okay, suppose sometimes show that it is given f inverse of, find f inverse of y only में लिखना. So find f inverse of x में simply find the inverse of both. First you will get y, then it becomes f. So f inverse of x is x minus 3 by 4. F inverse of y is x value y minus 3 by 4, or f inverse of x is x minus 3, just replacing it. Okay, this is also 5 marks question. What is the first step? Show that f is invertible. What invertible means, what you prove? 1 1 and onto. Okay, 1 1 and. So this second method, what is the second method, please tell me? Second method is the composite function. Composite g. So g composition f of x is I suffix r and f composition g equal to I suffix r. Then both that conditions, that function is inverted. Now this is the class number 11. So I think maybe it is class number 12. That problem will continue, that second method. This problem only I will explain both method, first and second, and similarly go with the similar next problems, and it is convenient to you. And it's, whether some students they want 1 1 onto, some students composition, depends upon student. Okay, so thank you.